Okay, hello everybody. And today we're playing Bubblegum Simulator on Roblox. Rainbow Egg. It's 650,000 gems. Okay, I'll try to get to the next island later. But Rainbow Egg, let's try. I'm hoping I get one of these. I have a lot of gems, so it's fine. Okay, I'll do it 2 more times. 1. Garbage! Literally garbage. Oh my god. Kid. Yeah, also silly me was thinking, hey dude, guess what? What? So it turns out that I don't have to size yet. Sorry, I drank like 4 thingies of Sprite. Yes. Gems. Enchantment. Bruh, what enchantment is that? Is it like Bane of Alpha Prods? Like, bruh, Endermites are hard to kill, but like, still. You know, comment what you think the worst Minecraft enchantment is. I say it's Bane of Alpha Prods, unless you're trying to farm spiders or something. Like, potions. Wait, how do I... New Minecraft changed how you get a fermented spider, right? Comment how you get a fermented spider. I think it's a case spider, but I'm not the biggest like upper on that. Oh no oh I hate that. Stupid. Okay, we're back. And oh my god, I just got to reset my character. Well, that's stupid. And also, yes, I have VIP, but it's pretty useless now. They have things like this island, not the XP island. I don't have that one yet. I still don't know what it does though. I think my brother, he used to play this game all the time, so I think he has some really good stuff. He might have a max XP island. Hope he has, because then I can ask him if he has. Then he can say yes, and then we can play together. But I'm not counting on that. That's stupid. Why? Why? Why, dude? Like, why? 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 Why, dude? Like, why? First, I gotta get this. Oh, man, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money from time. Manny from Diary of a Wimpy Kid is better than you. Bam, 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 bam. I wanna like get better gum, but I have trash amount of routes. Like look at how much routes I have. I have so much. I have 3. That's 1, 2, 3. OD 1, 2, 3. Like bruh, I have so much. But I still can't afford that stupid infinite bubbles. Because if I could just go into the max of infinite and then I don't know, like jump really high. But I think how much bubbles you have depends, like how high you jump, depends on how much bubble thingy you have. So I guess that's pretty cool. I'm almost already making up for those eggs I opened at the start. Just by a little bit though. Oh, okay, jump. Come on, don't hit anything. Here we go. Jumping in this game is like gambling. You don't know if you're gonna land it or not, and if you don't, it's rather you go down or you gotta do something about it. Here's just something for Lobby. Oh yeah, also Piston House videos coming out soon. Not gonna spoil it for you guys though. This time I'm posting number 1 first, and then number 2, and then number 3. Actually, in order. So, yeah. Wait, I think I'm really close. I think I might actually have gotten. If I could have already lived here, I swear, if this is the genie. Oh my gosh. All of that work. And I could have already went to the gem genie. I could have already went there. Oh my gosh. So stupid. Okay, I knew I wasn't going to land that jump. But still, oh my god. All of those jumping, all of that time. And I could have just teleported to the gem genie. And I swear to God, if this is just going to bring me to an island I've already unlocked, then man, I'm going to be mad. And if it doesn't, then I'm going to be super happy. Oh my god, no. Everybody keeps sending me trade requests. I wish there was like a setting for that, which there isn't, by the way. You can press like trade in. Oh, disable. No, I don't want to take trade requests. I don't want to trade right now. I'm trying to get to the best island. As you can see, I'm really low on money from trying to get something good. Wait, really? Wait, what? What the? I have. Oh yeah, I bought the candy thingy. I could easily get that money back up, but I don't want to. So, what's the bubble pass? Oh shoot! It's like a battle pass. Is it literally like a Fortnite battle pass? Yeah. But what is this? What is a star? It gave me stars. What do stars do? It doesn't like up your popularity in kindergarten. What? Is it those type of stars? Because if they are, I'm in. Are you kidding me? Dude, imagine if there's a game pass and it's like skip to the next island. Oh, I gotta go in like 30 seconds. So, see you then.